This is a Bio-Microbics treatment system, and we got a call today with an alarm. So we came out and we're gonna find out why we have an alarm. The aerator's not running. We checked power to our 2 lead wires. We have power, but the aerator's not running. The first thing I see is we have a lot of back pressure with the rubber boot, so that will make the motor work hard. In this situation, the back pressure was because of the dose tank and we had high water. Okay, number 1, let's make sure we don't have power. All right, so we found we have no power. Disconnect the wires. So we have a bad aerator. One of the things I look at, if it has bad windings, sometimes it's black inside here. If it's an old aerator, has a lot of dust inside. So we're going to put the Whirlwind blower replacement in. Comes bolted up in the box, so we have to take the bolts off. As we put this together, take our little caps off. Make sure we don't get dirt inside. When we put these on, let's grease them up to seal them. All right, this is the inlet side. Here we have an arrow. This is the blower side that blows into the tank. Once again, it always pays to double check, and here we got the arrow pointing out. Snug them up a little bit. Remove the old boot. If we notice how this is blown up like that, that's from back pressure. If you notice the discoloration of the PVC pipe, it's been heated up from an aerator being overworked. In this case, it was from high water level in the dose tank from a clogged filter. So we line them up, put these together, tighten these down. Fasten the motor. All right, when we put the new motor in, the new aerator, we don't want a filter to shorten the life of a new product. So let's pull this out, and it looks like it's been cleaned. One that hasn't been cleaned in a long time is full of spider webs, and it's gum full of dirt. All right, so we put the thing back in place again. Put this back on. Snug it in a little bit. All right, so here we have to cut the plug off. As I pull this off, I'm always very careful not to get the wires on the inside. Inspect the wires, make sure the coating here is not cut. Now we're ready to hook them back up again. One of the reasons for choosing the Whirlwind is because it has the 1.25 service factor. Heavier bearings, more windings, little more adorable. This one here, this system has been a troubled system ever since installation. Had a few blowers in it, so we're trying to eliminate that problem with some heavier windings. 1.25 service factor. Yep, let's not get our wires mixed up here. Wrote them down right here so that we get the right ones when we put it back together. Or we can blow a new product. Okay, we're ready to start this one up. Turn the switch on. I hear the blower down there. We watch the red light. There it goes off. All right, now we're gonna check the amps to make sure it's not drawing too much power. 4.2. That is right in line. All right, let's listen to the bubbling in the lid. You can hear the bubbling if you listen close enough. All right, time to go fishing.